Hello, my dear children. So, how are you all? I hope everybody is very fit and fine and doing your proper study. Am I right, children? So, children, today is revision class. So, all of you get ready. We are going to revise chapter 1 because our exam is very near, annual examinations. So all of you very nicely listen this video up to the last, children. We discuss many questions. So after discussion all the question answers you please write down in your copy and practice well. Okay, children? So everybody get ready for the today revision class and watch this video up to the last. Okay, childrens? All of you write all the questions whatever we discuss. So let's start. The first question, childrens. Why do we need bridges? Yes, childrens. As you already know about bamboo bridge, which is used in which place? In Assam, right? So why do we need bridges, childrens? So start thinking as we understand in the earlier that we need bridges to go across what, children's water bodies, right? So as in Assam it's rained so much and there is knee high water everywhere, but children's in Assams hold their books in one hand and bamboo with the others and reach their school, and very nicely they cross the bamboo and rope bridge to reach school. So first question, I hope everybody understand. Let's move for the next questions. So children's next question is, what is Vallam? As you already know, in some parts of Kerala children are using a small wooden boat, right, to reach school. So how to write this answer? Think Vallam is a small wooden boat used by children in some parts of Kerala. Right? See the picture of Vallam. Look at this picture, children. In this picture, children are reach schools by using a small wooden boat called Vallam. I hope it is clear. So let's move for the next question, children. So here is next question. What is a pulley? So children, let's see what will be the answers of these questions. Just start thinking. So as we know, children, pulley is a wheel on a fixed axle which moves a load along a rope or cable. Look at this picture. Children, as you observe this picture very nicely, a pulley makes it easier to lift an object than lifting the weight by hands. You look at this picture very nicely and you draw this diagram very well, diagram of pulley also in your copy and practice it. Okay, so look at the picture in your textbook where one of the boy tried to pulling the buckets from the well. Okay, just see this picture, and this pulley makes it easier to lift an object than lifting the weight by hands. Okay, childrens, now tell me one thing. In this picture, what is this picture, childrens? It is a trolley, right? So here any pulley is there? Please write this answer in comments. Is any pulley is there in this trolley? And what is the role of this pulley? So all of you give your answers very nicely. Now let's move for the next question. So next question here. Why is it difficult to walk on snow? Yes, childrens. Just think this answer. Why it is difficult to walk on snow, as we already understand, childrens. So as we already understand, childrens, walking on snow is difficult when the snow is soft. Our feet sink into it, right? And when the snow is frozen, we may slip and fall. So look at this picture, childrens. In northern hills, Children reach school, they are going through miles of snow. So they go through the school through miles of snow, children's, and holds hands and walk very, very carefully, children's. If the snow is soft, their feet sink into it. And when the snow is frozen, they may slip and fall. That is why it is very difficult to walk on the snow, right? Let's move for the next question, children. So the next question is, how does a yogurt look like? So we already know about these vehicles, yogurt. So how does a yogurt look like? This questions if coming in the exam, how you write this answer? Just think. So children's, when the questions coming like this, that how does yogurt look like? So your answer should be very nicely you have to say about how it's look like. The front portions of a yogurt look like motorcycle, but the carriage at the back is made up of planks of woods, right children? So very nicely you see in this picture. Observe this picture, children. It's very nicely. The front portions is looked like a motorcycle, but the carriage at the back is made out of planks of woods. Very nicely in Gujarat, you can observe Jugaad. Okay, so like this, you can write the answer very nicely. Now let's see the next question, children. Number five, number six. Now, how is a Jugaad made? So, children, as we know about, a Zugard is a vehicle that is made by using limited resource with minimal expenses in an innovative way. Right? It is made by putting together parts from waste materials like used tires, old wooded planks, engines from motorcycles, etc, right? And that is why it is called yogurt. So I hope you understand this. Let's see the next questions. So next question, childrens, what kind of path can we find in the mountains? These questions. So I hope everybody know this answer. So we also know that the paths are very rocky and uneven. So the paths in the mountain are rocky and uneven, and the children who live in the plains will find it difficult to walk on this. But who can live in this place like Uttarakhand, they can easily race up and down, right? Look at this picture, children. Now, next question, childrens. How is a cement bridge different from bamboo bridge? A very, very important question. It's carry a huge marks, 3 marks question. So all of you very nicely make a two columns boxes, like one side cement and another is bamboo bridge. You have to write, and very nicely point wise you have to write the differences. So what will be the difference, you know? Cement bridge is made up of cements, bricks, iron rods, while bamboo bridge is made up of bamboo sticks and ropes, right? Say another, it will be cross big or small water body. Cement bridge will be used to cross big or small water bodies, but bamboo bridge is used in places where it's knee high water due to heavy rainfalls. This is the second point of difference. What will be the third one? So cement bridge, as we look here, it is wide, strong, durable and safe to cross over. While children, bamboo bridge, you can see the picture of bamboo bridge. It is narrow, weak and unsafe to cross over. Many people and even vehicle can pass through cement bridge at a time. But bamboo bridge, only 2 to 3 people can pass through this bridge at a time. Right, childrens? You can write more differences by your own. So very nicely, you have to write down in your copy. Now, next question number 9. Suppose there is a river in your area. What difficulties there would be if there will be no bridge over it? So think, children, what difficulties people, as we know the how bridge, cement bridge, bamboo bridge, people used to cross water bodies, and people use, if there will be no bridge, people would have to use boats to cross the river, and which would consume a lot of time. That is why bridge constructed over river to save times, and very nicely people can cross safely through the water bodies. Now, next questions. Where do you think we see the use of pulleys? List them. A very, very important question, children. You can very nicely write in a point wise where you are think where do you think we use the use of pulley? So uses of pulley you just write here. As pulley used to collect water from wells, as you observed in the pictures. It's also lift heavy things, and pulleys are used in elevator in order to functions easily, right childrens? And more you can write. Do you think we see the use of pulleys? So write in your very nicely in your own words, very nicely children's point wise uses of pulley, and you can practice the diagram of pulley too very nicely in your copy. So thank you childrens, here we finish the today's revisions video of chapter 1. I hope everybody understand all question. Please do it in your copy very nicely.